When we use Snapchat in Android, as you can see, here is no button to switch between camera lenses. While on the iPhones, there is a dedicated switch for ultra-wide angle lens. Do you want to use ultra-wide lens in Android Snapchat? Let's dive
You
in.
know that I will always find a way to fuck up everything that we ever made. Some people change and some people don't.
First, I want to clear you something. Some YouTubers shows that we can use ultra-wide angle lens by using this filter. Let me tell you that this filter uses your phone's main camera and adds a fake distortion to both sides. This is the wrong method. To use the ultra-wide angle in real, you have to open your phone's camera app. Here switch default camera to ultra-wide angle lens. Now click the photo of your subject. Here is our photo. Let's see how to send it to Snapchat friends as a streak. Here you can use the upload filter, but I don't recommend to use that because if we send streak using upload filter, our friends can see that this streak is sent using upload filter. The right way to send streak is open Photos app, go to recently clicked photo, press edit button. Now crop this photo to size of streak, that is 16:9. After this, save it. Now open up the Snapchat, press this plus button. Now choose director mode from the pop-up, hit import media icon. Now select that image, hit tick button and then preview. Now you can add any overlays if you want. Once added, save it and send it to your friends. Your friend will receive it as a normal streak. You might be thinking why I have cropped the image in gallery instead of using crop button in Snapchat. Listen. If you use the crop button in Snapchat while using director mode, our friend will receive the streak uncropped, which will have black bars at the top and bottom. That's why I recommend you to use the crop method available in gallery. So that's it. I hope you can now able to use the ultra wide lens of your device. If you are facing any problem, do let me know in comments. Hit subscribe and we will meet in the next video.